Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about a primary trade line that does not require a personal credit check. You get up to $1,000 limit. It also helps you build your credit. They report to all three major credit reporting agencies. So I'm going to show you how it works. So stick around and watch the entire video so that you get all of the information before you sign up. So how it works is they have a marketplace or a online website where you can go through and purchase different products for your home, or you can purchase apparel and you pay it off over time without any interest or fees. So all you would do is click on join per pay. You're going to set up your account and then you should be taken to this screen. So you'll be able to see that you would have a certain credit limit and then of course a zero balance when you're first starting. So here are the eligibility requirements. You need to have full-time employment, 3 months of continuous employment history, paid via direct deposit, active mobile phone, no bankruptcies, in good standing with all financial obligations. Unfortunately, they're not accepting independent contractors or gig economy workers or self-employed individuals unless you own a company that pays you through a third-party payroll system. So if you are a business owner or you're self-employed, but you pay yourself through a payroll company and generate pay stubs, that'll work. SSI and SSDI as well as VA income is accepted. You'll click on shop now to see the marketplace. So they have all kinds of stuff from electronics to clothes to home stuff to things for your pets, personal care, even things for your kids. So if we look in the electronics section, you'll be able to see the pricing on the different items that they have. So they have TVs, they have Nintendo Switches, home entertainment centers. They also have iPads. I believe they also have PlayStations, all kinds of tablets, as well as computers. So this is under the Justin tab, but if you click on electronics, you'll be able to see like all of the electronics that they have and the different categories here. So they even have cameras, like all kinds of stuff. So let's just click on an item. So for example, if you were to get this Amazon Fire 7 tablet, you would get it within 3 to 5 business days after your first payment. So you would pay $4.95 in a total of 20 payments. So you select the color that you want, add to cart, say that you only want one item, you'll just check out. So it'll give you the total amount, which is including shipping, and then you'll click on proceed to checkout, and then you'll fill in your information. Once you get done entering in your billing and shipping information, then you're gonna pick your payment plan. So you should have 3 options. And so the third option is gonna be the cheapest one. That includes the Per Pay Plus $3 per month subscription. Then it'll redirect you to sign up for the Per Pay Plus. Once you signed up, then you're going to click on that particular payment plan, then click continue. And then this is where you're going to enter in your social and date of birth. Now, this is not to check your credit. It is to verify your identity to prevent issues and to also make sure that they're going to report the right information for the right person. So then it's going to take you to confirm your order, and you're going to see a summary of your payments and the total amount that you're going to be paying. Of course, it's 0% interest. Now, the items on this website might be slightly higher, and that's due to the fact that they're giving you a line of credit without a credit check, and then there is no interest. But you will be required to set up direct deposit to complete your order. Also, here's another quick tip. So they will require for you to set up the payroll through or your direct deposit through your actual payroll account that you have through your job. Or if you own a business and you use a payroll service, you can use that. But if you do not have a payroll service or you don't want to do it that way, you can also do manual direct deposit. And that direct deposit through payroll is going to be like automatically taken out of your check so that you don't miss any payment. But that's only if you set it up through the payroll direct deposit. The last thing I'm going to go over is the approval process. So in order for PerPay to process your order, they do a review process. Once you submit the order, it goes to an approval team for review. Most orders receive a decision within a few minutes, but the review process can take up to 1 to 2 business days. So your order will be pending until it's approved. Once your order is approved, you'll get an email or you'll see it on your per pay dashboard. Then you'll be able to make your first payment. So the orders are going to be processed for shipment after they receive your first direct deposit payment on your next payday, or if you're doing it manually through your bank account, once they get that payment, they'll ship it out.